everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, let's start with the design. The 2025 Ram Motorhome boasts a bold, modern exterior with Ram's signature grille and aerodynamic lines that actually help with fuel efficiency. LED lighting all around ensures visibility, while the large panoramic windshield offers incredible views from the driver's seat. Built on Ram's heavy-duty chassis, the motorhome offers both rugged reliability and smooth driving. Plus, with multiple color options and trim packages, you can personalize your ride to suit your style. Step inside, and you'll see why this motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The 2025 model comes in several floor plans, each maximizing space and comfort. You get a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a full-size fridge. The living area features plush seating with optional recliners, and a smart TV with surround sound for movie nights. Sleeping arrangements are generous too, from a memory foam queen bed in the rear to convertible sofas and loft bunks depending on your layout. And yes, there's a full bathroom, with a walk-in shower, flushing toilet, and even heated flooring in some trims. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram Motorhome typically features a 6.7L Cummins turbo diesel engine delivering over 370 horsepower and a whopping 850 lb-ft of torque. This means it has the muscle to tackle steep grades and tow additional gear with ease. Whether you're hauling a trailer, bikes, or a boat, no problem. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and upgraded suspension, the ride is incredibly smooth for a vehicle this size. And with integrated stability control and adaptive cruise, driving long distances is far less tiring. Tech lovers, rejoice! The 2025 Ram Motorhome is smarter than ever. You get a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus voice-activated controls. Backup and side cameras make maneuvering stress-free. And for the off-grid adventurers, there's an optional solar power system with lithium battery packs, enough to run your essentials without plugging in. You can control lights, climate, awnings, and even tank levels right from your smartphone app. It's basically a smart home that goes wherever you do. So, what makes the 2025 Ram Motorhome stand out? It's the perfect balance of power, comfort, and high-tech convenience. Whether you're a family chasing the horizon or a solo traveler chasing freedom, this rig adapts to your lifestyle. With robust build quality, luxurious interiors, and the kind of performance Ram is known for, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're investing in adventure. That's our look at the 2025 Ram Motorhome. Ready to hit the road? Drop your questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more road-ready reviews. See you out there.